Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Today we are talking about a massive Uber strike that just took place. We're going to be discussing that. We're also going to be discussing an Uber and Lyft and gig worker strike that's going to be taking place on July 4th. Go check out the Rideshare Professor. Shout out to him. I believe he is organizing it. I know he's talking about it on his YouTube channel, so check that out over there. But yeah, we're gonna be talking about that. So before I get started, if you are an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker, there's a new company that is helping rideshare drivers and food delivery drivers get set up with a new auto insurance policy that does cover rideshare rides, and it will replace your old insurance and could potentially save you tons of money. So they're signing drivers up right now. You can click the link below. You can sign up for a free quote. You're not gonna be like looped into paying for something without. Basically, you can sign up for a free quote, and they're gonna give you $20 just for a free quote. It's like no commitment, basically. Obviously, unless you do sign up, but you can see how much it's gonna potentially save you. Sorry, I don't know why I can't talk today. All right, listen to this. Uber drivers protest high gas prices at Detroit Metro Airport. Protesters hope to get attention of Uber for help with fuel costs, and Uber responds. We're gonna take a look at both. Dozens of ride-booking drivers held a protest. Ride-booking drivers, what the heck? They're called Uber drivers. Dozens of ride-booking drivers held a protest at Detroit Metro Airport on Monday night due to high gas prices. Ride-hailing drivers say they want to charge passengers more money because of the high cost of fuel. More than a dozen police cruisers were on the scene Monday in the Uber lot at the airport as they tried to control the situation. Officials told the Uber drivers that they would have to leave the lot if they did not have the app or a run to make, as they are not allowed to protest at the airport. Yeah, airport security is like a big thing. Like, you can't just hang out at the airport. It's a security risk. Like, they do that for like terrorism, and like literally, like, they don't want to, like, you can't just have people hanging out at the airport. A lot of the Uber drivers are out because we are not getting, like, if you're gonna protest, probably don't do it at the airport. Like, they don't mess around there. They're paying us like $1.20 per mile, and gas is high. We do not receive anything extra, no bonus, no nothing. The drivers are tired of it. Police say they did threaten to tow and evict some of the Uber drivers Monday who were refusing to pick up any fares due to their sit-in. Holy smokes. So they were threatening to tow them. So listen to this. Uber counters, I guess. Uber counters striking drivers, says, we take your security welfare seriously. A dozen of Uber drivers and Bolt drivers under the auspices of National Coalition of Rideshare Professionals, NACORP, had on Monday disrupted activities in Abuja while protesting that they describe as exploitation and extortion by the e-hailing companies. Why do they got so many dang names? Ride-booking companies, ride-hailing companies, e-hailing companies. Like, just call them what they are. They're rideshare drivers. The group was calling for an immediate upward review of e-cab fares to reflect the current economic realities in the country. Uber swiftly reacted to the allegation as unfounded, claiming that it holds the welfare and security of its drivers in utmost priority. Uber Nigeria country manager Tope Akinwumi, who reacted to the allegation, said the e-hailing companies, again, why the heck are you calling it? I've never heard of e-hailing companies, has taken several measures recently to address the issues drivers are striking for. We are aware of a group of e-hailing drivers who have planned a 3-day protest which started May 30th, 2022. We take the concerns of drivers who operate on our platform seriously and are currently engaging directly using our various engagement channels to work towards addressing the issues. In March, we increased fares to help drivers with the spike in operating costs. Our commitment to drivers is to continuously find ways of maximizing their earning potential while meeting the needs of riders. What a load of baloney BS, okay? We all know that there's gaping massive holes in the rideshare driver economy, and drivers simply need to get paid more money. That's the bottom line, okay? That's what it's been about. That's what it is about. So, oh yeah, and also Rideshare Professor, check out his channel to get more info about the July 4th strike. That's a nationwide strike that they are planning for rideshare drivers and gig workers. And yeah, check that out. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on all this, and sign up for Buckle Up using my link below to get $20 Visa gift card when you get a free quote or get a $5 Visa gift card when you get a free membership that works anywhere across the United States. I read some comments that are saying, oh, it's not available in all states. It's available in all 50 states to become a member. And then the insurance, the car insurance part, is only available in select states, but I'm sure they're trying to expand as they get more comfortable. You know, they want to make sure they're treating every single driver and they're not just want to be another Geico who, you know, whatever. Anyways, that's the update for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.